We have a workshop on basic urodynamics. The team is experienced in urodynamics and giving these courses to give you an idea of what it is like to run a test, the hands-on side of running the test. So we're going to be practically orientated, looking at how to set up urodynamic equipment, how you run the test and troubleshoot using good practice guidelines, and learning some basic principles to see how you interpret your urodynamic traces. We're in touch through our courses and our training with a lot of centres involved in urodynamics, and a common issue is what are the technical skills that I need and what are the key points that I need to take away from this course. I hear that quality in urodynamics is a big issue, so how can I improve the quality of the tests that I do? Now, those are questions that even experienced practitioners can be asking. So this course is designed to answer them for those beginning in urodynamics, for those who are being asked to take part in a clinic or have been given a new machine and need some guidance as to how to run a test properly. That means that we will be covering good urodynamic practices. We have nurses, surgeons, engineers involved, so that you get a fully rounded picture of the sort of skills that you'll need. And we'll have plenty of time for you to ask your own questions about how to run the test and what you need to do when you get back in order to begin that clinic. So our goal is to equip you with the very basics to get you started in urodynamics and to have your hands involved in setting up a machine and your eyes and mind involved in interpreting some traces. You won't be ready to run a clinic on your own, but it is the design to get you started on that process. What we find one of the main attractions is in coming to the ICS and workshops like this one is that it is multidisciplinary in its nature. So you're not just getting a monochrome single angle view on urodynamics as a test or clinical service as a whole. You're going to get the chance to interact with different professionals who will give you the expertise that they bring to the service that we offer patients. And in the urodynamic test context, the different aspects of that test, whether it's the management of patients or the practice of the science or the coping with the issues in the test of catheterization and measurement of pressure. And I personally find ICS is the best place for that kind of multidisciplinary interaction, where as an engineer myself, but also as clinicians and colleagues who come, we find that interaction, that breadth of perspective enhances our understanding and improves our clinical care.